Let's get it. Y'all ready? Crack. The hard form of cocaine. We call it work. See, cocaine come from a leaf called coca that's grew in Colombia. Then it's packaged up and put on planes and boats and sent to places like my neighborhood, where we use it to hustle and get money. Lord forgive us. Let me tell y'all a little bit of my story. See, I was born to teenage parents. Record has it that I entered this world at 4:40 a.m. in the morning. When I was 2 years old, my grandma and grandpa packed up a U-Haul, loaded up the car, and drove their kids straight to St. Louis, Missouri. See, growing up in St. Louis, in the hood, I was introduced to all kind of crazy things. And when I was 12 years old, somebody introduced me to crack, and my life ain't been the same since that day.